Welcome to this meditation for trauma healing. This practice is designed to help you manage the emotional and physical effects of trauma, including anxiety, PTSD, and emotional distress. Through gentle breath awareness and mindfulness, you can create space for healing. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. You can sit comfortably on a chair, on the floor, or lie down if that feels better for you. Once you're settled, we'll begin. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, feeling the cool air enter your body, and exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Feel your body starting to relax. Let your shoulders drop and allow any tightness in your muscles to melt away. Soften your jaw and let your hands rest comfortably by your sides or in your lap. As you continue breathing slowly and deeply, let your mind begin to settle. Simply be present with your breath as it moves in and out. There's no need to rush. Just allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. Now, shift your attention fully to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, how your body expands with each inhale and softens with each exhale. You don't need to change anything, just observe. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils and moves down into your lungs, and then notice the sensation as it leaves your body. As you focus on your breath, your mind may wander. This is completely normal. When thoughts, emotions, or memories come up, gently acknowledge them and return your focus to your breath. Let your breath be a calming anchor in the present moment. Each time you bring your awareness back to your breath, you are strengthening your capacity to remain calm, centered, and focused, even in the face of distress. Focus on an object, mantra, or symbol. If you find it helpful, you can now choose an object or mantra to focus on during your meditation. This could be a word like peace or healing, a soothing image, or even a shape or symbol that holds meaning for you. For example, you might imagine a glowing light or a peaceful landscape. You may repeat a positive affirmation silently with each breath. If your thoughts drift, simply return your attention to this object or mantra, allowing it to anchor you in the present moment. There is no right or wrong, just a gentle practice of refocusing. Allowing thoughts and emotions. During this meditation, you might notice feelings or memories surfacing. Trauma often brings emotional pain to the forefront. If this happens, try not to judge or push these feelings away. Instead, observe them with compassion, as if you were watching clouds passing in the sky. Recognize that these thoughts and emotions are temporary, and let them flow naturally. If it feels overwhelming, come back to your breath. Your breath is a safe space that you can always return to, grounding you in the present moment. Duration and closing. You can stay in this meditation for as long as it feels right for you. If you're new to meditation, 5 to 10 minutes is a good start. As you become more comfortable, you may extend the time to 20, 30 minutes or longer. When you're ready to end your session, begin to deepen your breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, and on the exhale, let go of any lingering tension. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice any sounds, the temperature of the air, or the surface beneath you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to rest here, appreciating the calmness you've created. There's no rush. Carry this sense of peace with you as you continue your day. Final thoughts. Meditation for trauma. Healing is a gentle practice. The more you engage with it, the more you'll begin to notice a deeper sense of inner calm and emotional resilience. With time, this practice will support you in processing emotions and finding relief from distress. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Remember, each moment spent in meditation is a step toward healing.